The next question is, we're divorced, but he won't move out of the apartment. What should I do? The first thing I need to do is check the paperwork. Who legally owns or rents this place? If it's still shared, there are options. Sell it, rent it, or split it differently. The worst thing is doing nothing. Living in stress for years isn't worth it when there's always a legal or practical way forward. Here's another. Can long-distance relationships really work? Yes, if both people put in extra effort, regular calls, video dates, planned visits, and a clear timeline to close the distance. Without a plan, it feels like a tunnel with no light. With one, the distance can actually deepen the bond. Good one. Why do some people ghost instead of just saying it's over? Because disappearing feels easier than being honest, but it leaves the other person stuck with confusion and self-doubt. Think of it like quitting a job by never showing up. Avoids the awkward talk, still the wrong move. Someone wrote in, how do I know if I'm really ready for a relationship? You're ready when you don't need someone to complete you, but you want to share life with them. If you feel good on your own, a partner becomes a bonus, not a crutch. Wrapping this batch, why do breakups hurt so much? Because you're losing a person and the future you imagined with them. Your brain built routines around that connection, and now it's withdrawal. Time, no contact if needed, and rebuilding your own routines help your brain rewire.